I was surprised to learn that the prickly pear cactus not only grows but thrives right here in Ohio. So I got my hands on some of this and began cleaning it. I learned after creating these video clips that there's an easier way to clean this. Take a torch, burn off those fibrous hairs and thorns. It'll save you a lot of suffering, but I put way too much blood, sweat, and equity into cleaning this paddle of the prickly pear cactus. This is called a wonder fruit. It's been used to treat diabetes, reduce obesity, and cure all kinds of human ailments. It's been called by some cultures the healthiest food on earth. So here we've got this, for the most part, cleaned up. We're going to slice it fairly thin, throw it into a pan with some olive oil, and I love Tony Chachere's on just about everything. We're going to give that a good toss.
Ew. Ew, it tastes like... Ugh.
What's it
I can't
taste
get it
like?
out of my mouth. Ew.
Obviously, Jaren's not impressed.
It's well seasoned. Someone knows how to cook. That aftertaste is not good. At first it just tastes like a bell pepper, and then afterwards it's not good.
Hey, I didn't think it was bad at all. It does remind me a little bit of rhubarb. It's got a tartness at the end of it. Very tart, but not bad.
Personally, I enjoy the tartness, the slimy, slippery elm-like texture I can barely handle. If it were not for the health benefits, I probably would never make this a favorite. But if it's well seasoned and cooked well, it is quite edible. And this is a fantastic fruit for improving your health. And it does grow all over the place, apparently, and it can be grown. So look into the prickly pear cactus.